friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. This video is first of a cleaning series that we are starting from today. It is on cleaning of refrigerator. Before we start this video, I must tell you two important laws of any cleaning routine. Number 1. The amount of effort required for cleaning is inversely proportional to how well the things are organized. Less organized means more cleaning effort and more organized means less cleaning effort. Second law is whatever be the date and time, it is never too late to get organized and clean your stuff around. Any time is a good time. There is absolutely no need of any muhurat for that. So on that note, let's see how I clean my refrigerator. You would have seen this 210 liters fridge earlier in our video how to organize a fridge. We shall clean the same fridge. Best time to clean when fridge is near empty or just before your vegetable shopping is due. First step is to switch off the supply and disconnect the power cord. Now let's start emptying the fridge by removing all the contents from the main and door shelves and keep them nearby. It is a good idea to clean the freezer towards the end so that items inside can stay colder for long. Now as you can see, I use the liners on all the shelves which help in faster cleaning and prevent any stains due to spillage. And that is why the fridge is not very dirty. And trust me, I am cleaning it after more than 2 months. So we'll start removing the liners and dust off the crumbs. Important tip: if your fridge has foul smell, then before you start cleaning, sprinkle some baking soda on the shelf and leave it for half an hour and then start the cleaning process. It works wonder in removing the bad smell. For this time, I have decided to do the cleaning by removing all the shelves as well. Sometimes it may not be necessary. Now using the spray bottle filled with dish soap and water to sprinkle all around, except the vents. Using a microfiber cloth to gently clean and wipe. For stained portion, use additional spray. For the area around the vents, spray some liquid on the cloth and then gently clean it. With the same solution, I am cleaning the door shelves also. These shelves are removable, so removing and cleaning them one by one. For the main shelves, you can either water wash and dry or use vinegar water solution to just clean and wipe. As my shelves are not very dirty, I am just using the spray here to clean and wiping off with a paper towel. We'll use the same spray to clean the crisper box also. Now we'll wash the chiller tray and liners in the kitchen sink with dish soap as they are stained. Now once they are dry, start arranging them back. First putting back the shelves, crisper box and chiller tray. Now placing back the liners. These liners are really efficient to keep the fridge clean for longer. If any spillage happens, just either wipe off the stains then and there or remove the liner, wash and put it back. They really save our time, energy and helps in rapid cleaning. Now when stacking back the condiments and other food items, wipe them with the dry cloth and simultaneously remove any expired items. Don't forget to keep a jar of baking soda inside, which helps in removing foul smell. Now let's move to the freezer. We follow the similar method. If there is any spillage, use the paper towel to wipe it off before using the spray. Now we'll clean the door same way as we did before. Spray the cleaner and then gently wipe off the surface. For the area around the vents where a lot of dust or food particle get accumulated, you may use a soft toothbrush and earbud for good cleaning effect. Now let's clean one of the very important and often ignored part of the fridge, that is this rubber gasket. Spray the cleaning solution and with the help of earbud remove all the dust and food particles. For tough stains, use soft toothbrush to clean it. Then wipe it off with a kitchen towel. Now let's place back the rack and other items. And again, before you restock, clean the items and discard if anything is expired. So this completes the internal cleaning. Let's clean the outer portion now. First, remove any stick-ons and magnets from the door. Get a stool to comfortably reach to the fridge top. Spray the cleaner and wipe off the dust. Use the same process for the rest of the outer body. Using a clean soft microfiber cloth is recommended for the outer body to avoid any scratches. And finally, fridge is ready for plug-in and switch on. Believe me, if you have an organized fridge, the whole cleaning routine takes only 15 to 20 minutes and needs to be done only once in 2 months. It is absolutely stress-free and easy way to maintain a hygienic and organized fridge. To watch a video on how to organize a fridge, please check the description box or somewhere here for the link. So thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for many more organizing videos. I'll see you next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.